In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an image background in Bluebeam using mask color. To start, click once on the image you want to clean up. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box or selection handles around it. If you're working in a busy document, make sure you're using the Select tool and not a markup or measurement tool, otherwise the image-specific options won't appear. A quick zoom in can also help you confirm you're clicking the right item, especially when images overlap other markups. With the image selected, look to the right side of the Bluebeam interface for the Properties tab. This panel shows settings that change depending on what's selected, so it's important the image is highlighted before you look here. If the panel looks empty or generic, deselect and reselect the image to refresh it. Keeping the Properties tab visible while you work makes this process faster because you can instantly see the controls you need without jumping around the interface. Inside Properties, find the Mask Color option. Mask Color is a handy feature that tells Bluebeam to render one specific color in your image as transparent. So whatever is behind the image on the PDF shows through. Think of it like digitally cutting out that color. Click the color swatch or box next to Mask Color to open the color picker. You'll see an eyedropper tool. That's the key to sampling the exact color you want to hide. Activate the eyedropper and hover over the background area of your image. Click on the background color you want to remove. If your background is pure white, pick white. If it's a solid blue or gray, click that color instead. For best results, zoom in and sample right along the edge of your subject where the background meets the foreground. This helps you capture the most representative pixel, especially if there's soft anti-aliasing around the edges. If you see a faint halo after applying the mask, try sampling a slightly darker or lighter spot in the background to better match what's actually visible at the edge. You can repeat the pick until it looks clean. Keep in mind that mask color works best on images with a consistent flat background. If the background has gradients or shadows, you may not get a perfect cutout with a single sample. Once you're happy with the transparency, give your PDF a quick save so the change sticks. That's it. Select the image, open Properties, choose mask color, and sample the background. Simple, fast, and clean.